My name is Andrei from Beach Investing. 20 years ago, I first started university. And I wonder what would happen if I purchased a property 20 years ago. How much of an advantage would I have today? Well, 20 years ago, the prices in Leslieville, for example, were going for $200,000 to $250,000. Today, they're going for $1 million plus. That's quadrupling the value. So this video is for you parents out there who have kids who are going to university, or you students out there who are thinking about going to university and wondering, how am I possibly going to be able to save enough money and maybe save for retirement or save for when I have a family? Buy a property early. People try so hard to time the market and make money by timing the market, but it's not about that. It's about how long you're in the market that will really make you the money. If you're not sure how to begin, call me. I will guide you. You can attend my events. I will teach you. Please reach out. I'll be happy to talk to you.